What happened? Who's hurt?
We're fine. Turns out your mom and I have a lot in common. We're both no-nonsense, goal-oriented women with a common enemy. The sun.
Gina's great. She's not a dud like all your other girlfriends. One, he said he met at camp. He never went to camp.
But it sounded like a fight. I heard someone get slapped.
Oh, that? He always makes a monster sandwich when he's trying not to study.
Totally. I gotta push this kid all the damn time to live up to his potential.
Yes, girl, yes. Preach. Strong smack. I like it. Respect.
So you guys actually like each other?
Hey, don't act so surprised. I'm very easy to get along with.
Some might even say charming.
They might, and they do.
Great! This is awesome! Where'd I put my sandwich?